Welcome to our data analysis course. Today we're diving into one of the most fundamental concepts every analyst must know, data types and formats. Before we can analyze any data, it's crucial to understand what kind of data we're working with and how it's stored. This knowledge forms the backbone of all successful data projects. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, mastering data types and formats will make your analysis more accurate and efficient. Let's begin by exploring why this topic is so important and how it sets the stage for all your future data work. Not all data is created equal. In fact, understanding the differences between data types is the first step to successful analysis. Imagine trying to calculate the average of a list of names. It wouldn't make sense. That's why knowing whether your data is numeric, text, or date time is essential. The type of data determines what kind of analysis you can perform and helps you avoid costly mistakes. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify and work with different data types confidently, setting a strong foundation for your analytical journey. Let's start with numeric data. Numeric data includes any information that represents numbers such as sales amounts, quantities, and profits. These values can be added, subtracted, averaged, and used in calculations. For example, if you want to find the total sales for a month or calculate the average profit per product, you'll be working with numeric data. Recognizing numeric data is key because it allows you to apply mathematical and statistical methods, which are essential for uncovering insights and making data-driven decisions. Next, we have text data, also known as string or categorical data. This type of data includes information like customer names and product categories. Unlike numeric data, text data can't be used in mathematical calculations, but it's incredibly valuable for grouping, sorting, and filtering information. For instance, you might want to see which product categories are most popular or analyze customer feedback. Understanding text data helps you organize and interpret information that isn't numerical but still crucial for business insights. Another important data type is date and time data. This includes information such as order dates and transaction times. Date and time data allow you to track when events happen, analyze trends over time, and measure durations. For example, you might want to see how sales change from month to month or identify peak transaction times. Handling date and time data correctly ensures your analysis is accurate and helps you uncover patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Now that we've covered data types, let's talk about data formats. Data formats refer to how information is stored and shared. The format you choose can affect how easily you can access, analyze, and share your data. Common formats include CSV, Excel, and JSON. Each has its own strengths and is suited for different tasks. Understanding data formats helps you select the right tools and methods for your analysis, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. CSV or comma-separated values is one of the simplest and most widely used data formats. A CSV file stores data in plain text with each value separated by a comma. This format is easy to read, edit, and share across different programs. It's especially popular for exporting and importing data between systems. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet or downloaded data from a website, chances are you've worked with a CSV file. Simplicity makes it a go-to choice for many analysts. Excel files with the xlsx extension are another popular data format. Excel organizes data into sheets, making it easy to view, edit, and analyze large datasets. With built-in tools for sorting, filtering, and visualizing data, Excel is a favorite among analysts and business professionals. Whether you're creating charts, running calculations, or managing lists, Excel's flexibility and user-friendly interface make it a powerful tool for data analysis. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a structured data format commonly used in web development and APIs. JSON files store data as key-value pairs, making them easy for computers to read and process. This format is especially useful when working with complex or nested data, such as customer profiles or transaction histories. JSON structure allows for flexibility and scalability, making it a preferred choice for many modern data applications. Selecting the right data format depends on your analysis needs. If you need simplicity and compatibility, CSV is a great choice. For more advanced analysis and visualization, Excel offers powerful tools. When dealing with web data or APIs, JSON is often the best option. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each format helps you make informed decisions and ensures your data is easy to work with throughout your project. One of the main reasons to understand data types and formats is to prevent errors in your analysis. Using the wrong data type or format can lead to incorrect results, wasted time, and confusion. For example, treating text data as numbers or misinterpreting date formats can cause calculation mistakes. By being mindful of data types and formats, you can avoid these pitfalls and ensure your analysis is accurate and reliable. Accurate data is the foundation of good analysis. By correctly identifying data types and using the right formats, you improve the quality of your data. This leads to better insights and more confident decision-making. Clean, well-structured data makes it easier to spot trends, identify outliers, and draw meaningful conclusions. Remember, the more accurate your data, the more valuable your analysis will be. Let's look at a real-world example of numeric data. Imagine you're analyzing monthly sales for a retail store. The sales amounts, quantities sold, and profits are all numeric data. You can use these numbers to calculate averages, totals, and growth rates. This helps you understand how your business is performing and identify areas for improvement. Numeric data is essential for measuring success and tracking progress over time. Text data plays a big role in customer analysis. For example, customer names and product categories help you segment your data and personalize your approach. By grouping customers by name or category, you can tailor marketing campaigns and improve customer service. Text data is also useful for analyzing feedback and reviews, giving you insights into customer preferences and satisfaction. Date and time data are crucial for tracking trends and patterns. For instance, analyzing order dates can reveal seasonal sales trends, while transaction times can help you identify peak business hours. This information allows you to plan promotions, manage inventory, and optimize staffing. Properly handling date and time data ensures your analysis reflects real-world events and supports better business decisions. CSV files are best when you need a simple, universal format for sharing data. They're ideal for exporting data from databases or moving information between different software. Because CSV files are plain text, they're easy to open and edit in many programs, making them a flexible choice for many projects. Just remember, CSVs don't support advanced features like formulas or formatting found in Excel. Excel is perfect for projects that require more than just raw data. Its organized sheets, formulas, and charts make it easy to analyze and visualize information. If you need to perform calculations, create reports, or present data to others, Excel is a powerful tool. It's widely used in business settings for everything from budgeting to sales analysis. JSON is the go-to format for web-based data and APIs. If you're working with applications that need to exchange data online, JSON's structured format is ideal. It's also great for storing complex data like user profiles or transaction histories. JSON is widely supported by programming languages, making it a favorite among developers and analysts working with modern data systems. Numeric data is any data that represents numbers. This includes integers, decimals, and percentages. Numeric data is essential for calculations, statistics, and quantitative analysis. Recognizing numeric data allows you to apply mathematical operations and uncover trends, making it a cornerstone of data analysis. Text data, also called string or categorical data, includes any information made up of letters, words, or symbols. It's used for names, categories, and descriptions. Text data can't be used in calculations, but it's vital for grouping, sorting, and analyzing qualitative information. Date and time data capture when events occur. This type of data is used to track timelines, measure durations, and analyze trends over time. Handling date and time data correctly is crucial for accurate time-based analysis, such as sales trends or event tracking. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It's a simple text format where each line represents a row of data and each value is separated by a comma. CSV files are easy to read, edit, and share, making them a popular choice for data exchange and storage. Excel files use the xlsx extension and organize data into rows and columns on sheets. Excel supports formulas, charts, and formatting, making it a versatile tool for data analysis and reporting. It's widely used in business and education for managing and analyzing data. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a structured data format that uses key-value pairs. It's commonly used in web development and APIs to store and exchange data. JSON is flexible and supports complex nested data structures, making it ideal for modern applications. Let's quickly recap the main data types: numeric data for numbers and calculations, text data for names and categories, and date-time data for tracking events. Each type serves a unique purpose in analysis, and knowing how to identify them is key to working efficiently with data. To summarize data formats, CSV is simple and universal, Excel is powerful for analysis and reporting, and JSON is ideal for structured, web-based data. Choosing the right format makes your analysis smoother and your results more reliable. A common mistake is mixing up data types or using the wrong format for your needs. For example, saving numeric data as text can prevent calculations, and using Excel for very large datasets can slow down your work. Always check your data types and formats before starting your analysis to avoid these issues. Preparing your data is a crucial step before analysis. Make sure your data is clean, well-organized, and in the right format. Remove duplicates, correct errors, and ensure consistency across your dataset. Good preparation saves time and leads to more accurate results. Knowing your data types and formats brings many benefits. It helps you choose the right analysis methods, prevents errors, and improves the accuracy of your results. You'll also be able to communicate your findings more clearly and make better decisions based on reliable data. Congratulations on completing this lesson on data types and formats. In the next lesson, we'll explore data collection methods and how to gather the information you need for analysis. Understanding how to collect quality data is just as important as knowing how to analyze it. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips in our data analysis course.